Social media is getting a bigger presence in the trading industry. Joining me now is Russell Rhodes. He is in charge of education here at the Chicago Board Options Exchange. So happy to have you on the show, Russell.
Oh, happy to be here.
And we're here to talk about social media. Every tweet suddenly holds a lot more weight in the market. Why is that, Russell?
Well, it does with respect to a firm that CBOE teamed up with about a month or so ago. There's a firm called Social Market Analytics that's actually developed an algorithm that basically measures the sentiment on Twitter with respect to individual stocks. You know, is the chatter net positive, net negative, and you can compare that to what the stock's doing during the trading day as well.
Let's just break this down. So let's say it's a big day for Apple. All of a sudden, Apple's getting a lot of buzz on social media as well as traditional media outlets. What will that mean, or how does that work its way through this system?
Well, let's just say Apple has a new product announcement that's being taken positively by the investing public. You can actually see on Twitter, is the chatter net positive or net negative? If the stock's already reflecting a really large move and people are starting to say maybe this move is a little bit overdone, a Social Market Analytics algorithm will actually parse what's being said via Twitter and put a quantitative weighting to that.
How is this being welcomed in the trading community?
I know that the people over at SMA I know they're working with a handful of hedge funds already who are trying to get a little bit of an edge on their competitors with respect to the opinion about stocks that maybe they're trading on a short-term basis. So they've got a lot of good attention with respect to
people are watching.
Yeah.
Are there any concerns about this, though, that people could just be behind the scenes? I'm just going to try to move the market today and write a lot of tweets out on Apple.
That's funny. That's one of the first questions I asked those guys about this.
Right.
And they actually have a way that they identify financial influencers that are on Twitter, and it's basically somebody that might be followed by the Wall Street Journal or some big media company like that who's also being followed by other analysts, and those types of people are the ones whose Twitter sentiment they're actually paying the most attention to.
So there's a watchdog going on
Absolutely.
here.
Absolutely. You can't really game the system on this one.
It's very cool, and I'm sure traders will really appreciate just one more piece of information, correct?
Absolutely. I think, I know from some of the firms that SMA's been working with that people are seeing results from being able to monitor the Twitter chatter.
Very good. Thank you for coming on the show.
You bet. Thanks for having me.